leaving in a couple days for our next SCA trip, so I'm going to show you what I throw together for an SCA snack bag. So I don't really even know what all meal-wise is going to be taking place. I haven't heard back from them yet on that, but we always try to plan snacks just in case, and so I'm going to run through what we get. So as you know, we are huge fans of Go-Go squeeZ. I love Go-Go squeeZ. I like the flavor of it. The thing I like the most about Go-Go squeeZ is the fruit and veggie ones, because that means that even if we end up snacking through lunch, which we sometimes do when it's hot, we'll just snack, we still have a fruit and a vegetable, and it's really good. I mean, we get them, you know, there's a 4-pack. I have 3 kids now. I will actually try them as well and try them and see if I like them, because I'm not going to give them to them. They don't like them, and they really, really like these. So our ones for this trip are the boat and banana, and I don't remember which all veggies. I think this one it shows sweet potatoes. Let me check. So this one actually is apple, carrot, and banana. And then there's the Grateful Grape. And I really like this one. So does Rebecca. But Madeline's not a huge fan of grapes, so she's not a huge fan of this one, but she'll eat it. This one is apple, sweet potato, grape. So that's the one with sweet potato. And then the Petal Petal Peach is always a favorite. There's 2 packs of it left over from another box we have. This one is apple, peach, and sweet potato. And then we have the Mighty Mango, which is apple, mango, and butternut squash. That one's, Sarah and I both really like that one. Sarah and I are huge fans of mango, so we both love that one. And then I always try to do a protein, so we usually try to go with the dry roasted peanuts. They have a little more calorie-wise for you, but it's an easier way to get protein down the kids and I whenever we're busy, and just like not like want plain peanuts. So just like a handful of that with one of these pouches, we're usually good to go. The kids' Sunday school classes have actually started doing these Quaker Big Chewy bars. They seem to like them. I have not tried these because like they get them for Sunday school prizes. But I'm thinking of getting a box and trying them. These are the sweet and salty pretzel bars from, I'm pretty sure these are Aldi's. I may be wrong on that. But these are leftover from the Michigan trip we just took. This has the white chocolate chip in it. And then Matt doesn't always like the Go-Go squeeZ, so I usually throw in a box of raisins for him. And then there's these raspberry and mixed berry fruit bars that were also left over from our Michigan trip. That wasn't like that long ago, so the food's still good and fine with that. And then my grandma is sending us some Ritz cheese crackers and some Ritz peanut butter crackers as well. So this also covers protein, because my biggest pushes are usually protein and trying to get the fruits and vegetables in. So, I mean, that's why you see a lot of this. They may still eat like some snacks, and sometimes we'll pick up like maybe a box of cookies or something to go with it. But this is the bulk of our snacks, is the fruit and vegetable and the protein. And then the bag that I've been using is the one that we were given at Zoo Knoxville. We made a $50 or larger purchase, and we got this bag for free. And I love this because unlike the fabric ones, it will just, I mean, you see it standing up. It stands up on its own. So it's perfect for like shoving into the truck at somebody's feet, and then like they can be like in front of their feet in the slot where their feet go, and then like they can quickly grab snacks out as they need to. So that's it for our snack bag. Comments below for my Go-Go squeeZ fans, because I know some of you are also Go-Go squeeZ fans. Are there any flavors that you've tried that you just really, really love? Because we've been getting a lot of the Petal Peach because everybody likes it, and we just tried the Mighty Mango. Madeline, like I said, Madeline doesn't like the grape, but she doesn't like grape. She likes eating fresh grape. She doesn't like this kind of grape, but the rest of us love this. So don't like that. It's not nothing bad Go-Go squeeZ. It's just she doesn't like grape. They all love the banana, but I'm looking at trying maybe some of the newer flavors that just came out. So which one is your favorite flavor, and what is your go-to snack for when you are traveling, camping, sporting events, anything like that? Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.